Hello everyone, this is Rachel again. This time I'm going to discuss with you about inventory planning and management. This is a very important topic in cost engineering course because mismanaged inventory could decrease business profit. And if we have poor inventory management, we could have excess inventory shortage and out of stocks, frequent back ordering, tension between company and supplier, customer dissatisfaction, and shortage of storage capacity. So it is best all the time to manage and plan our inventory very well. In this topic, we have a 3 inventory model. But in this video, let us focus on the first one, the economic order quantity. Okay, for the economic order quantity, we have cost models, the 3 cost models that will affect the economic order quantity or EOQ. The first one, we have the holding cost. Cost associated with holding or carrying inventory over time. The second one is the ordering cost. The cost associated with placing an order to vendor, supplies used over processing time, and clerical support. The last one is the setup cost. Cost associated with preparing machines for use, cleaning, and maintenance. These are the 3 cost models that will affect our EOQ. And let me give you some samples for each cost models. For the first one, the ordering cost, we have finding vendors, clerical cost to prepare the order, cost of expediting the order, supply issues such as forms, transportation, and receiving. For the holding cost samples, we have this: taxes, insurance, securities, utilities, Unkeep, Shrinkage, and Spoilage. For the last one, the setup cost samples, we have cost to prepare the machine, time spent to clean the machine, and the last one, of course, the labor hours. Those are the samples for each cost models. What is inventory model? Here I have the complete definitions of the inventory model. It is the mathematical model that helps business in determining the optimum level of inventories that should be maintained in the production process, managing resource of ordering, deciding on quantity of goods or raw materials to be stored. That are the meanings of inventory models. I have here this diagram, the inventory cycle. In this inventory cycle diagram, we have here quantity on hand or stock on hand. After we receive the order we have placed. So in this diagram, it is noticed that we have a constant demand, production demand, which is the usage rate. And we also hear the reorder point. This one is the reorder point in which we place our order. And this one is the point in which we receive our order. And the time gap between we place our order and we receive our order is the lead time in which we consider as our safety stocks. So in determining our safety stocks, since we notice our demand, say per day, so we just multiply how many days the lead time between we place our order and we receive our order, and that's our safety stocks. So let me proceed to the next. What is EOQ? Economic order quantity. So economic order quantity or EOQ is the number of units that a company should add to inventory with each order to minimize the total cost of inventory, such as the holding cost, order cost, and stores. These are the meaning of EOQ. So I have here this diagram, the graph, EOQ graph. So here we have the annual cost and the ordering. This is the line for ordering cost. So ordering cost shows that the cost decrease if we increase the quantity of our order. I am referring to ordering cost here per unit. For the holding cost, it will increase. The holding cost will increase if we increase our quantity of order. And there is a certain point between ordering cost and holding cost, the intersection of them, in which we consider as this is the economic order quantity or EOQ. So this is all about for this graph. It is all about the EOQ. I have here the meaning for the EOQ for the another meaning for the EOQ. Economic order quantity or EOQ is the one techniques of inventory control which minimize total holding and ordering cost for the year. It is also a technique that solves the problems of the materials manager. That is all for the EOQ. So, what is the formula of finding the EOQ? Here we have the general formula for finding the EOQ, which is or the Q prime. EOQ equals the square root of 2ds over h. So, which is Q prime equals the economic order quantity. The H is the holding cost per unit, the D is the annual demand in unit, and S is the setup or ordering cost per order. That is the formula for finding the Q prime. I have here the problem sample. So, a company that markets pinless hypothermic needles to hospitals would like to reduce its cost by determining the optional number to obtain per order. Annual demand is 1,000 units. Ordering cost is $10 per order. And holding cost per unit per year is $0.50. So I have here the solution using our formula for EOQ. EOQ equals the square root of 2ds over h, in which D is the demand per year and S is the setup or ordering cost, and H is the holding cost per unit per year. See, using the figure above, I have here Q prime equals the square root of 2 times 1,000 times $10 all over $0.5 equals 200 units. So that is how we compute the Q prime. I think this is all. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.